Cloud! Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Sana pagbutihin mo pa yung pag-aaral mo.
Proud, mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo. We love you so much. Be a good boy always and maging masunurin ba. We love you.
Happy birthday, anak. Thank you for bringing joy to our lives. I may not be perfect as your mom, but I will do my best to be a good mother to you and ate. Always remember that I love you so much. Kayong dalawa ni ate. Sundin mo lagi yung sasabihin ni mamita sa'yo, si lolo, si auntie, tita, tito, mga kuya at ate mo dyan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Miss na miss ko na kayo. And I'm looking forward to be with you soon. Happy birthday, anak. God bless.